All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and this is part 1 of a 5-video series showing you how to use Illustrator quickly. So let's start with new documents. I'm going to go to File and New, and when you pop this open, you've got a bunch of presets up here. You can just type in your own. I'm just going to do that, but I have inches. You can change it to whatever units you want. And you can change the orientation, and you can even change the number of artboards, which is basically saying number of pages. But there's a little more to it than that. So I have a 2-page document now I just made. And first of all, you grab the Artboard tool, and you'll notice that you can resize them on the fly. It's not like Microsoft Word where you're like, oh, I chose this size and that's what we're using. Very fluid with that. So you can change them. You can rearrange them, right? Delete them. I'm going to undo that. And you can double click here and it'll bring up the options again. Make sure you're on, click whichever one you want to be on, and then you can change the size, you can change the orientation, you can add a center mark just to show you where it is. So you can do a lot of stuff with your pages here. And the next one I'm going to show you is quickly just if you go to View and Rulers, you have your rulers there. So if you need guides for anything specific in a certain area, you can drag them out there. You can also right-click quickly and change your units again right there if you need to. And the next thing I'm going to show you is deleting, right? And working within this frame. So if you have an object here, and you've drawn it here, right? I'm going to make this red so we can see it. I'm going to ditch this outline real quick. It's called a stroke, actually. And anything that's in the artboard will be exported along with it. Anything outside of it will not be. Like if you save this as a JPEG or export as a JPEG or PNG for a website or something, this part won't go with it. It's not going to export all this. It's going to be on the white part. But if you save the Illustrator file, it'll still be here when you open it back up. And now there is one little caveat to that, where if we make a new document and we choose to have a bleed, which is something we use in printing, it's down here. You just go, 1.25. That's I'm sorry, 0.125. That's an eighth of an inch. Metric, I think the standard bleed is 3 millimeters. And so what that is if I have a shape here, you can see this. Watch this. Ready? Boom, I'm going to move it. Sorry about that. And if I put that over here to this red margin, it gives the printer, they're going to print it on a bigger piece of paper, and then it lets them slice right through that color. Because otherwise you're over here and they have to cut it exactly there. That's not going to happen. So you give them this little tiny bit of room, and now they can be a tiny bit sloppy, and you're still just going to have a solid green edge. So that's what a bleed is truly for. And so that's working within the frame, and you can work outside of it somewhat. But so that's really how you set these up. And if you do want to export this or save it as a PDF and a multi-page PDF, this is really cool too. So I grabbed the Artboard tool, and you see I have 0, 1, and then Artboard 1, 0, 2, Artboard 2. If I was to drag Artboard 2 over here, right, let go. So that did not make this page 1. This is still page 2 because of the 0, 2. So quickly just go up here to Window, pull down to Artboards, and this is your actual page order. So Artboard 1 is page 1, Artboard 2 is page 2, but over here I don't have, I drag this over here thinking this would be page 1. So what you really want to do is drag these around in order, and now you see it changed 0, 1, 0, 2. And you can rename them here if you want to, for the sake of not losing your mind with having too many of them. If you're making a multi-page document, I would highly suggest organizing them here and naming them there. So anyways, that's going to wrap this one up. But the next one in this playlist, part 2, is shapes. So check that one out. And if this one helped, hit like, leave me a comment or message. Thanks.